Hi everyone, it's your favorite designer here, Damshayombo. Yeah, I just got my mic now from Jumia. I'm about to unbox it. I hope you join me. Yeah, I ordered this MK-F600TL mic from Jumia. It's about 9,000 plus, 9,679. Yeah. I don't know, so here's the instruction manual. The mic itself. Is the USB cord. Then comes with a tripod stand and the mic holder. Yep. So, yeah, this is basically it. I hope this is what I long for. Been waiting for it for so long. So excited. Super excited. Super excited. So I've connected the mic to the USB. Please record, then I'm about to set the tripod stand. Alright guys, I'm done setting it up. It's what we have this. Hi guys, so I'm recording with OBS Studio and I'm currently using my default laptop audio. I'm yet to connect the mic, so this is my default sound coming from my laptop without the mic. So this is the sound without the mic. So still with OBS Studio, I just connected the MK-F600TL mic and recording this with the mic. As you can see, the mic's doing a great job taking out all the noise from the environment and giving me a very clean sound. I'm super excited right now. I'm ready to kickstart my podcast and my video tutorials. I hope you join me. Thank you. So you can get this mic as well. It's available on Jumia. That's where I got mine, and it's super cool.